Have you ever spent so much time searching for one item and still couldn't find it? Or have you ever got a late fee because you forgot to pay the bills on time? Let's face it, we all have those experiences on a daily basis. Therefore, today we will talk about how to simplify your home. Clutter-free home lifestyle. Hey there! Ready to dive into the world of decluttering and transforming your home into a serene, clutter-free sanctuary? Awesome! Let's get started with some practical tips to help you achieve that clutter-free lifestyle you've always dreamed of. First, let's handle the paperwork in your house. Let's face it, paperwork is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to household clutter. Those piles of mail, bills, and miscellaneous papers can accumulate faster than you realize. But don't worry, we've got a simple plan to tackle it. Step number 1. Gather up those paper piles. Start by collecting all the loose papers you have around the house. This includes everything on the kitchen counter, the living room table, your office desk, and even those pesky drawers where you stuff random documents. Step number 2. Sort through them one by one. Begin the sorting process. Make 3 distinct piles. Keep, shred, and recycle. Be ruthless. Only keep what's absolutely necessary. Step number 3. Keep current files accessible. For the papers you need to keep, make sure they're easily accessible. Use file folders or an accordion file to organize them. Step number 4. Store stray documents in clear jars or boxes. For items you're not sure about, use clear jars or boxes. This way, you can still see what's inside without it creating visual clutter. Step number 5. Take action. Immediately deal with the papers in your keep pile. File important documents, shred sensitive information, and recycle what you don't need. The next part of the house to handle is closet. Next up, let's talk about the closet. A cluttered closet can be a daily source of stress, but simplifying it can bring immense relief. Step number 1. Toss out clothing that no longer fits or that you don't wear. If you haven't worn it in the last year, chances are you won't wear it again. Donate these items or toss them if they're in poor condition. Step number 2. Create a capsule wardrobe. Consider curating a capsule wardrobe. This means having versatile basics that can be mixed and matched. Stick to neutral colors and simple styles. This not only simplifies your closet, but also makes getting dressed in the morning a breeze. We continue with finances aspects. Financial clutter can be just as stressful as physical clutter. Here's how to simplify it. Step number 1. Tackle your finances. Weekly. Set aside a specific time each week to review your finances. This makes it more manageable and less overwhelming. Step number 2. Pay bills on time. Late fees can add up and cause unnecessary stress. Create a system to ensure you pay bills on time, whether it's setting reminders or using a bill-paying service. Step number 3. Create a realistic monthly budget. Having a budget helps you see where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions. Step number 4. Go paperless. Sign up for electronic statements and automatic bill pay. This reduces the paper clutter and the mental clutter associated with remembering due dates. If you have kids, let's talk about kids' belongings. Kids' stuff can easily overtake the home if not kept in check. Here are some tips. Tip number 1. Create separate storage for toys, clothes, and belongings. Use bins, shelves, and closets to keep everything organized. Tip number 2. Rotate toys. Instead of having all toys available all the time, rotate them every few months. This keeps things fresh and exciting for your kids and reduces the overall clutter. Maybe you haven't heard about the decluttering rules. To make the process of decluttering more manageable, follow these simple rules. Rule number 1. 12-12-12 rule. Find 12 items to throw away, 12 to donate, and 12 to return to their proper place. This makes the task feel more like a fun challenge than a chore. Rule number 2. 20-20 rule. Get rid of items you can replace for 20s or less in under 20 minutes. Often, we hold on to things just in case, but this rule helps eliminate unnecessary items. Rule number 3. I-20 rule. Store away the 80% of belongings you don't use regularly. Only keep out the 20% that you use often. This creates a cleaner and more functional space. Rule number 4. 5-second rule. If you can't remember when an item was last used within 5 seconds, it's time to let it go. This helps you make quick decisions and avoid overthinking. So now, we get into the benefits of a clutter-free home lifestyle. Now that you have some actionable tips to get started, let's talk about the benefits of living a clutter-free lifestyle. Benefit number 1. Reduce stress. Imagine walking into your home and feeling an immediate sense of calm. That's what a clutter-free environment can do for you. Clutter has been linked to increased levels of stress and anxiety. When your home is tidy and organized, it's easier to relax and unwind. Benefit number 2, increase efficiency. How much time do you spend looking for things? A clutter-free home means you'll spend less time searching for misplaced items and more time doing what you love. Whether it's a set of keys, an important document, or your favorite sweater, knowing exactly where everything is saves time and reduces frustration. Benefit number 3, more freedom. There's a sense of freedom that comes with owning less. You're not tied down by your belongings and you don't have to spend as much time maintaining them. This allows you to focus on experiences and activities that truly matter to you. Benefit number 4, enhance well-being. A clean and organized space can boost your mood and overall well-being. It's easier to feel positive and energized in an environment that's free from clutter. Plus, maintaining a tidy home can be a form of self-care, giving you a sense of accomplishment and pride. Benefit number 5, mindful living. Decluttering encourages you to make conscious decisions about what you keep in your space and life. It helps you prioritize what's important and let go of what's not. This mindfulness can extend beyond your home and positively impact other areas of your life. In conclusion, so there you have it, a comprehensive guide to simplifying your home and embracing a clutter-free lifestyle. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's about creating a space that supports your well-being and brings you joy. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Here's to a happier, simpler, and more organized life. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.